That's it, y'all. All right, let's open it up. Let's see what color I got.
Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like the rising.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Miss Lockett, the founder and CEO of Teacher Fashion on Lockett, and today you guys are in for a special treat. But before I let you guys know what this video is about, I need you to do your girl a favor. I need you guys to click that subscribe button and also click that notification bell for more amazing videos. Alright, now that I got that out the way, y'all, let's just jump on into what this video is about, okay? I see that your girl is excited. I'm so excited because of the type of video that we have on today. So you guys know, on my YouTube channel, I love to do unboxing videos, and today's video, I will be doing an unboxing of my new iPhone 14 Pro. Yay! I am super duper excited. I'm ready to see what this phone is about, and I'm ready to see what the hype is about. So yeah, I don't want the video to be long, so I'm gonna just go ahead and do my little unboxing, okay y'all? So right here I have my phone in here, and I am gonna unbox my iPhone 14 Pro, and you guys are gonna be able to see what phone I have. While I'm unboxing, I want you guys to comment in the comments right now, what color iPhone do you guys think I got? What color iPhone 14 do you guys think I got? So yeah, let's just go ahead and we're gonna unbox it now. Alright y'all, so we are in the box. As you guys can see, the box is open, and we just gonna go ahead and we're gonna pull it out. They got the little plastic in there. Throw that over there. Alright y'all, so here it is. Look at it y'all. Look at my iPhone. Let me do a thumbnail. Get on into it. This is the iPhone. This is the box that it come in. Look how thin it is. I love how like classy and elegant the boxes look now, because I remember getting my other iPhone, I think my 10, and it had the big box. But now the boxes are smaller because they do not put the charger port in it anymore. They do not put the charging block in it. So yeah, let's just go ahead and open it up. I hope you guys commented on what color y'all think I got, just to give you guys a little content about my iPhone. I have before, where's my phone? Right now I have an iPhone 12 Pro. I have an iPhone 12 Pro. So yeah, I love my iPhone 12 Pro too, so we'll see what the difference is, what's so much better about this one. But anywho, the point that I was trying to make on my iPhone 12 Pro, I have 128 gigabytes on it. And this particular time, because I vlog, I take so many pictures and videos and all kinds of stuff. I think I got a 200 and it's not on the box. I'm kind of shocked. I got oh, it is 256 gigabytes phone this time, storage this time. So I'm happy about that, because I take a lot of pictures and I film a lot of videos when I'm not using my camera. But I'm gonna use my camera more this year. By the way, Happy New Year's, y'all. I ain't seen y'all in a while. But yeah, let's get into this unboxing. So here it is here. The iPhone. And I think I'm gonna give y'all a little ASMR. So let's see. If you notice on the iPhone, is it focused on it? I hope you guys can see it. It has like these two little green tabs. So I'm going to pull it. Let's see who guessed right. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god, y'all, it is so cute. As you can see, I got the deep purple. And it is, oh my, y'all, this is so crazy. The camera is so huge. Wait, it's getting the glare of my camera.
No. No. She wasn't ready. She wasn't ready.
I already dropped the phone. Oh God. All right, y'all, I'm already about to break the phone. But look at this. Let me see. Do y'all see how big the cameras are? It's like very noticeable. Let me, where's my iPhone? The one I'm using now. Let me take the case off this one so we can compare the 14 and 12. Y'all, that is crazy. Alright, y'all, so this is my 12, and let's compare it to this. Look at that. Look at that difference, y'all. Do y'all see that? Wow, that is crazy. That is crazy. The camera is huge. Wow, it's like literally right there at you. Oh wow, that's beautiful. All right, so I'm very proud of myself because I normally just go with the regular like space gray, or I just get a gold and let that be the end of it. But I was just like, you know what, this time I'm gonna step out the box and get something different. So that is why I got the deep purple, and it's so beautiful. Like, this camera is not doing this justice at all, y'all. It's like really, really, really beautiful. Wow, that is too crazy. So yeah, here's the iPhone. Let's see, let's compare it as far as like size. Can we do it side by side? So actually the 12 Pro and the 14 Pro is literally the same size. Like literally, it's the same size. Let's see. Let me turn it this way. Is it anything different? Yeah. So that's that. It's literally the same size, but the visible difference that I see is like the camera. The camera is a huge difference. Alright, so let's take this off. And let's turn it on. Alright, y'all, we got it on. I'm super excited about this upgrade. In this phone, I'm actually not going to set my phone up. I don't think I'm ready yet. Like, I probably still use my 12 for a long time before I actually get into the 14. But yeah, I'm excited about this. Now with this particular phone, like every time I get a new phone, I never like back up my information on my new phone because I like to start anew. The only thing that I probably would back up is probably going to be my contacts, but anything else I'm not going to download my cloud onto it. I'm going to just keep it on my 12 because I'll still be using this. I still got my 10. Look, where's my 10? My iPhone 10. I don't know. Oh, here it is. Alright, it's all cracked up. I still got my 10. But I'm not gonna use, I'm still gonna use it for like when I vlog and stuff. Like, I'm still be filming on my 12 and doing other little things on here. Like, this will be my quick filming tool now when I don't want to use my camera. But yeah, so far with unboxing it, I absolutely love it. I can't wait to start using it so I can see like what the real hype is about the 14. I have YouTube and seen other unboxings and heard different friends talking about the iPhone, but I'm excited about it. I'm excited about all the new features, all the new things that the iPhone 14 have, and I think it'll benefit me too, also with me like being a YouTuber, a creator. So ooh, look at this. So I'm excited about it. I'm excited about getting it. I don't know, I might start setting it up. Y'all can see that the light's so bright. I might do set it up. But yeah, y'all, this is my iPhone 14. Like I said, I don't want the video to be long. Let me go back to the box right quick before I end this video. And like I said, in the old box, they used to have the big thick boxes because they used to put the charger ports in there, but now they don't do that at all. They just give you a charging cord, and then here they always give you the directions or whatever the case be. And I like that they give you that Apple sticker too. You always get your little, can y'all see that? You always get your little Apple. Yeah, there it is. You always get your little Apple sticker in there. So, yeah. But y'all, yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted y'all to see me open and unbox my iPhone, and maybe I'll do another video update on telling you guys, showing you guys different features that's on the phone, and like give a sincere review of how I feel about it, because everybody I talk to that has the iPhone 14, they absolutely loving it. Not only that, it's most of my friends that saying that they have the iPhone 14, they like me, like they're very creative, like they do like different things. I know the features that's on here would very much benefit what I do. So I'm excited about it. I probably will come back and give you guys a review of it. Oh, there's one more thing I do want to show you guys. So of course I got this new phone. I actually ordered, so this is another little unboxing inside of this unboxing. I actually ordered me a new case. Y'all know I just can't be simple. I just cannot be simple. So I'm into teddy bears. I absolutely love teddy bears. I don't know if I ever told you guys that, but as I was on Amazon, I saw the cutest little teddy bear case. Look at this, y'all. Look how cute that is, and it's gold. So I got this cute little case, and I don't know, I like little stuff like this. I don't like simple. Like, that has never been me. I'm putting it in there to see if it fits. I've never been simple. Y'all, it's so cute. Look at the little teddy bear. I put the phone in there already. Oh, let me show y'all this. This case it's really cute. Only reason I be getting this cute little stuff because y'all know I'm in education. I'm with kids all day. They love stuff like this, and I love stuff like this. So yeah. So it's a little teddy bear case, and I love this. It got a little charm. Oh wow, this is cute, and it clips on. Let me see if I can take this out right quick. I'm struggling. At least y'all know it's a true unboxing. So yeah, it has like this little teddy bear charm that goes on the back of it. Let's see if I can do this.
A few moments later.
It's really taking me forever. Alright, y'all, I finally got the darn teddy bear charm on it. Do y'all see that? So it's a teddy bear case, and it has this cute little teddy bear charm. I really like it. It's making all that little noise. It's got a little bell on it or something. But isn't that cute? And then it also came with like a little carry chain, so you can like get it cross you like a cross chain and wear it like a little purse. Wear your phone like a little purse. I love that. Like when I'm going out vlogging or something, I can just put this little cord on, put my phone on, and film. So that's super cute. Love that. And then I also bought what else is in here? Oh yeah, you can't buy a charger and a new phone without getting a protector. And this time I got the privacy case glass. So yeah, this is the screen protector that I have for the phone. So yeah, that's my iPhone, y'all. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. Like I said, I'll come back and I'll probably do another video and give you guys a review on how I'm liking my iPhone 14. Because I know me, I'm probably not going to start using my new phone right away because I'm so comfortable with my old phone. But yeah, I'll come back and let you guys know. Even if it's a short video or some type of post in my community tab to give you guys an update on how I'm enjoying my iPhone 14. Alright y'all, so that concludes this video. Before I let you guys go, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. It's 2023. Happy New Year. I have some new goals for Teacher Fashion on Lockett. I have some new videos, new content coming. So y'all get ready. Get ready. This year, I'm just gonna have the time of my life. I'm just gonna have fun. So be looking out for some more fun videos. Probably me going to different new restaurants, maybe some shopping videos. I don't know. It's gonna be some great videos. I got some encouraging videos coming too, like how to stay motivated, self-care tips, maybe some mindfulness. I got a variety of stuff coming for you guys. But yeah, thank you guys for all your love and support of Teacher Fashion on Lockett. And I'm out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye y'all.
Be sure to hit the subscribe button and also follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Teacher Fashion on Lock_ETT.